In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom camera black screen. If you open Zoom and your video is just a black square, don't worry. We'll walk through quick checks inside Zoom and a simple Windows test to get your camera feedback. Start by launching Zoom on your device and make sure you're logged in. Being signed in gives you access to all the in-meeting controls we'll use. Next, join a meeting or create a new one. You can use a personal test meeting. This is important because the video toolbar only appears when you're in a meeting, and that's where we'll choose the camera and preview it. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar for the Start Video icon. Click the small arrow right next to it. This opens Zoom's video device menu. Under Select a Camera, manually pick your built-in webcam. It's often labeled Integrated Camera or HD Web Camera. If you have multiple options, try them one by one. Many computers install virtual cameras or drivers from other apps, and if Zoom points to one without a live feed, you'll see a black screen. Selecting the physical built-in camera usually brings the picture back immediately. Keep in mind, if your operating system is blocking Zoom from accessing the camera, Zoom will show a black screen or an error instead of your image. That typically happens when camera permissions are disabled at the system level. Make sure your device allows Zoom to use the camera so the app can connect to it. Also check whether other apps are already using the webcam. Microsoft Teams, Skype, FaceTime, or even a browser tab with a video site can grab exclusive control of the camera and leave Zoom with nothing to display. Fully quit those apps, not just minimize them, then come back to Zoom and try starting video again. You also need to figure out whether the issue is with Zoom or with the hardware itself. On Windows, open the built-in camera app from the Start menu. If you see a normal live preview there, your webcam and driver are working, so return to Zoom and reselect the same camera from the Start video menu. If the camera app also shows a black screen, the webcam driver may have crashed or the hardware connection is loose. Restart your computer to reset the driver, then reopen Zoom, join a meeting, and pick the correct camera again. That's it. Launch Zoom, enter a meeting, choose the right camera, make sure nothing is blocking access, verify with Windows camera, and restart if needed.